Ground control to Major Tom. All right. So what I want to walk through here quickly is I'm learning Snap, and I'm just in the basic world of it. You can do things like that says hello world, then you click this, it says cat monster. If you click this, it says hello world forever, and you're going to click it again. I think I'm in edit mode or something. Anyway, I wanted to make a custom block, and this custom block actually has stuff inside of it. Basically, it just compares two numbers and returns if they're equal, or if one's greater or one's lesser. Okay? So here's how you do it. Here's how you actually do it. So you would say make a block, and you can put it inside sensing if you want. And I'll just call this Forky 2, because this is my new Forky. Okay? And there's Forky 2, right? Well, then what you do is you kind of build it in here. So you stretch this guy out, and you can go over here and search for little blocks, and you can say if then. Here's an if then else. So I in this case needed an if then else, or if else, if else. Okay, and then I'm going to ask these questions. Well, I'm going to say something when it does something. So I got the say blocks, and I grabbed those. You can put one here, and you can right click, and you can duplicate, and you can put one here, and you can right click, and you can duplicate, and you put one here. And then tell it what you want it to say. And then we're going to check if x is less than or x then greater than. It's not super important, but x less than y. Y. So that just kind of made it right there. So you can take that and say, okay, if x is greater than y, put that there. And then if you want to be like, no, what if x is less than y? And you can put this here. And then, well, if you know it's not greater, it's not less than, so you just say, you know that x is equal to y, right? So x equals y. And here you're like, x is less than y. And here you're like, x is greater than y. Okay, so now you have that. And then you can connect this little block up. But in here, then, you need to actually give these variable names. And so, okay, x is your one variable, and your y is your other variable. Okay, so now you've made your block. So if you click OK, you've got Forky 2, and you can come in here and you can say, okay, right here, 3 is greater than 2, right? So let's see if I did the same logic as I did in my last one. 3, 2... I think I did do the same logic. Okay, let's say 2, 3. X is less than y. Cool. X is greater than y, x is less than y. That's how you implement Forky.